Hello, hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain how to factorize the algebraic expressions. These are very important for dividing the expressions, dividing algebraic expressions. Okay, here what is factorization? If for any number, if we can write as a product of any other numbers, so then those numbers are factors of the given number. For example, take 42. 42, how can we write 6 sevens are 42? That means product of any other numbers we can write for 42. That means here 6 and 7 are the factors of 42, or otherwise we can write 42 is 2 into 3 into 7. Here you see 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. Even 2, 3, 7 are factors of 42, and this is factorization. This is prime factorization, because in the factors only prime numbers are there, that is prime factorization. In the same way we can find the factors for algebraic expressions also. I'll give a few examples. Easily you can understand how to find the factors for algebraic expressions. First we learn how to write the factors for the monomials, that means single terms. Let us take 7yz. 7yz, it's a monomial, single term. So what are the factors? How to write as a factorization form? That means simply we have to multiply all those whatever variables are there and numbers are there. For all those things in the multiplication form we have to write it simply 7 into y into z. So 7, y, z are each other factors, we can say each other factors. For example, z is a factor of 7y, 7 is a factor of yz, y is a factor of 7z. In this way we can all are factors. 7 y z are all are factors of 7 y z. And for 8 x square y z, how can we write? We can write 8 into x into x, because x square x into y into z. Here these all are factors. Even we can write in the place of 8 we can write 2 into 2 also. So 2 into 2 into 2, in the place of 8 we can write at the same time x into y into z. This is the factorization of this one. These all are 2 x y z, all are factors of 8 x square y z. So in this way we can factorize the single terms. How to find the common factors for 2 or more terms are there? How can we find the common factors? Let us see, first to find the factors. For 3a, how can I write 3 into a? And what about 21ab? 21 I can write 3 sevens are 21 into a into b. So from these two terms, what are the common factors for these two terms? If we compare, you see here 3 also, 3 and a are the common factors. These two are common factors of 3a and 21ab. Let us see how can we find the factors for expression. So earlier we discussed if single terms are there, we found the factors, but here expression is there. For this expression, how can we find the factors? Factorization, how can we do it? Let us see. Here first what I'll do, for each term I'll find the factors. Here 3 into x, and here for 12 we can write 3 into 4, we can write it 3 into 4. Now you see, this is one term, this is another term. In these two terms, what are the common factor? Here 3 is the common factor. So 3 separately I'll write into, close the bracket. So if I take 3 common, here x is left, write it here, plus here 4 is left, write it here. Now finally we got 3 into x plus 4. That means 3 and x plus 4. These two are factors of the given expression, that is 3x plus 12. In this way we can find the factors for the expressions also. Here one more example. Find the factors for the given expression. First we have to find the factors. Here 6 into a into b, you write it, plus 12 we can write 6 into 2 into b. 6 into 2 into b. Let us see now what are the common factors. Find it. 6 common, and here b, and here also b is there, b, so that is also common, so write it here. So 6 into b, 6 and b are common factors, write in the product form, close the bracket. Now 6 and b we are taking after, what is left, a is left, write it here, a plus, and here in the second term what is left, 2 is left, write it here. So 6b into a plus 2, that means 6b and a plus 2, these two are factors of the given expression, and 6 into b also, that means 6 separately factored, b separately, and a plus 2 is also factor of the given expression. So in the given expression total 3 terms are there. How can we factorize? Let us see. For each and every term, first you have to find, is there any common factors are there from the given terms. Let us say first 3 into, we can write x into x, first term is over. Next 6 we can write 3 2s are into x into y, second term over, plus finally 9 means 3 into 3 into y. So this is the last term. Okay, so after factorization, find any common things are there. All the 3 terms are having 3 is the common. So 3 is the common, write it here, into, is there any other x, 2x are there, here 2x are there, but here no x is there in the third. So x we can't take common. And second thing is there any other things are there? Yeah, here I forgot, here in the last term one more x is there here, sorry, here last term one more, so one x is common, that means x also take out common, x and 3 I have taken common from all the 3 terms. So what are left, let us see. So just close the bracket, and here don't put any kind of symbol in between these two. Between the fractions always we must put only into symbol. So now what are left? From the first term x is left, plus from second term 2xy is left, 2xy is left. From the third term 3 and 2y's are left, that means 1 3, 2y's means y square we can write. So is the final thing. After factorization we got a 3x and x plus 2xy plus 3y square is the another factor. So these two are factors of the given expression. Look at this expression here, 4 terms are there. Here 4 terms are there. Even for the 4 terms or 3, whatever it may be, first check it any common from all the terms, any common factors are there or not. Here we can observe there is no common factor in all the terms. Here you see, here b square is there, here b is there, but in the last term b is not there. So like that all the 4 terms are not having common term. Next what we have to do, two terms we have to separate it, that means regrouping we have to do it. So for that first I will take these 2 terms. From these 2 terms what are the common things? Let us see, b only is the common thing. Here I am not expanding all the terms, just I will write it directly, b is the common. Okay, anyway for easy understanding I factorized all the terms you see. Now but I select only these 2 terms first. From these 2 what are the common things? Only one b is common, just take out b common. Then we have to write after b 2 3s are 6a is left, minus here only one b is left. So b into 6a for these 2 terms, over. Now here for these 2 I will write just plus here, but I have written one thing, first 12ac here and 2bc as a second term, because according to commutative property we can write it a plus b equal to b plus a, there is no problem. Now from these two terms, what are the common things? 2 is common, and c also common. So if I take 2 and c common, then what is left here? 6a is left, minus here b only left here. Now you can observe from these two terms, now this is one term, these are only two terms are there in this expression. From these two terms, what are common here? See, 6a minus b, 6a minus b, both are same expressions. Now I'll take common 6a minus b, that is 6a minus b separately we have to write. And now what is this? 6a minus b, if we are taking out common, then what is left in the first term? B is left. In the second term, 2c is left. So finally these two are the factors of the given expressions. So if four terms are there, in this way also we can find the factors. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much, and you can subscribe and share it if you like.